Aries, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for November. How we'll go about with the video is we'll see what are the energies we have for you and for your person. So the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, and feel free to switch if you like. However, for me the top row is always for the sign I'm doing the video for. Now let's jump in and see what this month has in store for both of you. So the first card that I see for you is 8 of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, and the Hermit card. Person B here has the Queen of Wands, the Strength card, and the Two of Cups. We'll also see what is the mutual feeling that both of you have, what is the blockage in this relationship, and what is the outcome of this relationship. Now, bottom of the deck, I have Queen of Swords. It means that there is some kind of a conversation that both of you need to have, and a very honest conversation needs to happen. Maybe there is something that you didn't tell this person, so you need to share facts with them. Now, from the first set of cards, I see you have 8 of Wands. 8 of Wands means that there's some kind of communication that needs to happen between you and your person. Till the time you don't have this conversation, you will walk very slow, because your second card is the Knight of Pentacles, which is a very slow moving energy. This means that you will walk so slow that the other person may feel that you're not interested at all. The third card for you is the Hermit card, which shows that you're trying to do some self-reflection. You're thinking about this relationship. Maybe you're thinking about what has happened, what was your effort towards this relationship. So you're really doing some deep diving and thinking a lot about this relationship. Now, person B here, their first card is the Queen of Wands. This shows that this person is more focused towards sex, passion, and physical attraction, because wands show physical attraction. For some cases, Queen of Wands also shows that this could be a third person. For some of you, this person could already be dealing with somebody else, or they could be the third person in your relationship as well. Now, the second card here is the Strength card, which is Leo energy. This means that this person has to put in a lot of courage and bravery in order to go ahead and tackle this relationship. The third card for them is Two of Cups. This shows that there is a lot of mutual love and feelings and connection, okay, between the two of you. Maybe the situation right now is not correct, but you may want to go ahead and deal with this entire situation a little more patiently, and things can change. Now, with this, let's see what is the mutual feeling that both of you have. So the mutual feeling here is 8 of Cups. Now, 8 of Cups has a meaning, okay? It means that somebody will walk away. There could be multiple things that can happen. One, it could be that you both will walk away in two different directions. Two, it can also happen that you will walk away from something else which is not adding value to you, or this person will walk away from somebody else if they are involved with somebody else, and they will walk away and make sure that they put in that effort in this relationship. So it totally depends on your individual energies, okay, and in your individual horoscopes as well. Now, for the blockage here, I see you have 3 of Wands. This means that you're stuck, okay? Both of you are stuck, both of you are not moving, you're not putting in that right amount of effort, and this could be because of your individual situations or something that you're dealing with in your personal life as well. Now, the outcome that I see here is 8 of Wands. 8 of Wands means you have to put in a lot of effort in order to get this relationship to where you want this relationship to go. You will have to put in a lot of effort. Now, with this, let's also go ahead and see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular month. So the first card is 3 of Cups, 9 of Pentacles, King of Swords. 3 of Cups in some cases means a third party situation. So either you or your person could be dealing with a third person. The second card is 9 of Pentacles, which is a very single independent energy. And the third card here is King of Swords, which means that whenever the two of you decide to have a conversation, make sure that you talk about facts, anything which is hidden, talk about it, clear it out, so that it doesn't create bigger problems in the future. Now with this, let's also go ahead and see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the message that I see for you is believe in the impossible. So you need to believe in the impossible, because only when you believe in your dreams, that's when it becomes a reality. Now with this, we'll also go ahead and see what is the message we have from archangels and a crystal that can also help you out in this particular situation. So the crystal that I see for you is amethyst. The crystal message is, are you ready to transform your life? Through your spiritual connection with the divine, you can receive intuitive insight to help you in your daily life. You have the ability to transform your reality using the spiritual guidance that you receive. Now with this, there's also a message here from Archangel Zadkiel that I'll go ahead and put in the description box, and you can read it out from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.